Morning everyone, welcome back. Just made a little voltage indicator to go on the Triumph, sort of scheming whether I'll put one on the AJS or the A10, not quite sure yet, but got some of these 1-inch pipe bands or P-clips, a couple of M5 screws, cut this piece of aluminium out. Debating whether to paint the aluminium black or leave it silver. All a bit of a test fit. Then this is a little voltage display from good old eBay, and then just run 2 wires into the headlight. This is a 12 volt positive earth bike, so the plus just goes and gets a screw that's behind the speedo, so plus goes to earth on positive earth, and then the negative for the indicator runs down and gets a switch negative off the key switch. So, and then the other job we did is we put 12 volt LEDs in, so if we do the switch the ignition on with a click, so we get 12.9 volts, and then if I flickers a few lights on, 12.6, and then she comes back up. And then if I leave the ignition on, so the Paul Goff pre-focus LED kit, so we get filament on the pilot because the pilot don't fit. And then that's the LED front. That's the low. That's the high. And then flick that off. Let's go around the back of the bike. So we got that. So that's the pilot for the rear, and the brake for the rear. We'll come back a bit. And the voltage indicator is now showing us 12.5. Turn all the lights off, and then this ammeter, it shows 4 amps for all the original lights on. So if we go pilot, don't get much of a drop at all, and then probably half an amp on the full set. Oh, press the horn there, flick at the high. Yeah, not much at all. This ammeter's never like going to 0, so I've never worried too much. So that's the 2 upgrades on the Triumph this week. Thanks for watching.